Thank you. Preparing your home for the freezing temperatures. Now, all of this sounds like, well, just another chore around the house, but it could save you time and money in the long run. That's especially important. Eyewitness News reporter TJ Parker showing us how to make sure our pipes do not freeze.
This is the backflow that comes into the house.
Homeowner Brandon Slaydon walks around his house making sure his sprinkler system is ready for the freeze.
If I want to make sure that all the pipes that are coming out of the ground, the backflow preventer, are covered and that they're insulated.
Plumbers say outside sprinkler systems are the first to freeze, and if it's not taken care of, it could cause some problems.
Most people forget about them. They're kind of out of sight and out of mind, usually hidden behind bushes and things like that. But they do have to be protected.
Master plumber Randy Wilson says now is the time to prepare.
If it gets wet, it's done no good. It's got to be protected from the weather. No rain can get on it, no water can get on it, because it'll just freeze and then the pipes freeze.
Randy says you can use sheets, towels, or old blankets to wrap around the backflow preventer to keep it insulated.
This is one of the things that will freeze during very cold weather. To winterize this, you'll want to shut this valve off here, and then shut this valve off, and then bleed this system down with a small flat screwdriver. You'll open that and leave it open.
Best advice, go around, make sure anything exposed, any of the pipes exposed are wrapped up and taken care of, especially for little freezes like this.
And inside your home, if it drops below freezing, open up cabinet doors where pipes are to let heat in. Reporting, I'm TJ Parker, 13 Eyewitness News.